asuntoskeittiö Niilan Salpa.
Today's 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja. Scrappaberries, Grenden, turistikäisee here.
This is very rare.
Yeah, it's really rare. Only with this. So,
Yeah.
few seconds for it. Perfect. So yeah, this is in Martinlaakso, modernized Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Western Vantaa in the Helsinki Coast region, also in Finland. It was built in 1973, turning 50 years old, 2023. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. The SIN number is H30419. We have also been to the staircase B. The stop and alarm buttons are of the M6 type. Otherwise, MP8. It is a bit slow, but still amazing. Still deserves two rides.
Yeah.
And it also has the exit word next to the P or graph flow button. That is not so common, but still a few elevators in Finland have it. That have MP8 in that. In some places.
Yeah.
I've seen it also in Turku or somewhere. Quite recently.
Yeah.
Yeah. But certainly also this could have been made faster, just like the early 1971 built residential building one and spring 71 that we have from 6. That one, it could have been made at the same speed.
Yeah.
That was something quite common among residential buildings, actually from 1973, 72, that they very often made them slow because they didn't pay attention to it.
Yeah.
Could be several reasons behind it. Maybe even the oil crisis. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, how can that be a reason? Maybe if an elevator is made faster, then you need more oil.
Yeah.
I guess. Maybe that's a reason. In some cases they need more oil. Maybe that's a reason. Like exactly in 73 they were almost all this slow. Not everyone, but a lot.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.